doing a small overview on these latches. I pick them up for e-bike parts. I use them for mounting the battery bag or battery box to the bike. The last pair I grabbed were pretty good. They were a little bit chunkier than these, but these ones here should be fine. Basically how it works is, well, on my battery box, this is on the battery box, and then this part here would be, 2 holes would be drilled, and then you use rivets and rivet that to the frame, and then when you latch this like that and you twist it over, it makes it tight, and it works great for battery boxes. This should be more than adequate. I thought it'd be too thin. It's actually pretty good. But yeah, these are relatively cheap and they work extremely well. The last pair I got didn't have the screws. Apparently they gave you wood screws. I'm not too sure why. Self-tappers. Yeah, I have no use for those, but I'll put those in my container. This is what I wanted, and at the price, they're well worth it. These do a really good job of strapping anything down on an e-bike, as far as I'm concerned. Actually, what I'll do is I'll go in the other room and grab what I used it for and show you what I mean. The old ones are actually a little bit thicker, so I was right about them being different size. Yeah, the ones I got here are really beefy compared to the other ones. I wonder if this rod would even fit in the old one, because I would have to basically take these off and re-rivet them, which is going to be a pain in the ass. This probably doesn't even fit. Nope. The only way I could do it is to take this apart, pull this piece out here, and then thread it on there, and then have it adjustable that way. It'd probably be easier than taking all this off, because then I'd have to re-drill the holes. It's probably what I'll do, but it's this part here really is the part that was missing, because it was left on the frame of the e-bike when I threw parts of it out, which I wasn't thinking. So yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll take this piece out, use it as a bolt or a nut, and adjust it that way. And then we have our hook that goes onto the frame of the bike. Cool. Later, guys.